What's happening, people? So we have a RAM upgrade for Deep Blue here, and Deep Blue is my Threadripper system and a 10900K system. Yes, two systems, one PC case, and each system has its own 3090. The top 3090 right here is the ROG STRIX one, and here's the active water cooling backplate for it. Team Group sent me a whole bunch of RAM to help me upgrade the system, really the look of the system, but this is too wide because of the wing nature. It's hitting the active backplate. So this is by Kingston. Kingston sent me 128 gigabytes, 8 sticks of RAM, RGB, black, and we're gonna be shoving this into Deep Blue. I kind of needed the RAM upgrade because when I'm editing 4K videos, I'm hitting about like 50, 55 gigs of RAM used these days. So this is gonna be a nice usable upgrade for me. So let's do it. To control the second system down here, I just double tap on this and then I can shut this down because it's all in the same water cooling loop. And then I can shut down the Threadripper system. So this pump is going through both systems altogether. Flip the switch to the PSU. One PSU is controlling both systems. So I like to work on the RAM first before doing my water cooling because you don't know about the space that you may or may not have. Get out of my sandwich. It's my sandwich. Wouldn't it be funny if some of these still had some of the protective plastic on them? That'd be hilarious. Always match up the notch when you're installing your RAM. Is this notch on the lower side, which is for the right side of this motherboard, or is it the upper side, which is the left side of this motherboard? Oh yeah, that felt good. Let's flip the switch for the power supply. And since this is a dual system build where the pump is controlled by the Threadripper system, I turn the Threadripper system on first, let it boot into Windows so the pump is at the right speed that it needs to be at, and then I turn on the 10900K system. And we have RGB RAM in Deep Blue, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, ah. So this is a Threadripper 3970X system. So when you have Threadrippers, 3200 megahertz, it's basically the fastest stable speed you're gonna get. And we have success, 128 gigabytes of Kingston FURY RAM. Looking good. I like the blue theme, obviously Deep Blue. All right, so we do have success. It looks great. Shout out to Kingston for the 128 gigabytes of their FURY RAM, 3200 megahertz CL16, which is perfect for a Threadripper 3970X system. So I can't wait to get into some 4K video editing on this. And the next step now is to deal with the ROG STRIX 3090. So we have the EK front and active back plates on there. Now that I have the sizing with the RAM, I can put this on here and then start working on how I want to basically do the whole loop for acrylic tubing. So there's gonna be a lot of YouTube videos on that as well. Stay tuned for more. Peace.